Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with the very latest on what to expect with the arrival of a cold front that's going to be moving through the ArkLaTex Tuesday night and Wednesday. This front is promising to bring us some thunderstorms and also some cooler temperatures behind it as we move into your Wednesday. So let's talk about, first of all, the risk for strong to severe thunderstorms. Storm Prediction Center for our area, not much of a change. Still looks like if we have any severe weather, the chances will be highest from Interstate 30 and points north. I mentioned yesterday we might see an enhanced risk up around Interstate 40, and you can see that has appeared on the newest outlook from SPCs. It does look like the risk for severe weather will be highest to the north of the ArkLaTex. So let's get into what we could be looking at here on Wednesday. Just a lingering isolated severe weather risk over the southeast half of the ArkLaTex. If we see anything as far as severe weather, it will be very isolated in nature. Talk timing. This is the latest run of the HRRR. You can see the spotty showers that we'll see over the southeastern sections of the area this afternoon ending. The HRRR has been trending further west with each run this morning as far as the location of the stronger storms, and you can see moving into the late night hours it is a bit slower than previous runs of this model and slower than Futurecast, which is what I'm going to show you here next. But you can see by midnight we'll see the storms. Actually, this is late tonight, about 3 a.m. We will see the showers and thunderstorms moving through southwest Arkansas and northeast Texas. Probably will arrive in Shreveport sometime near or a little bit after sunset. This is the morning run of the Robinson to Futurecast, and you can see the band of thunderstorms moving into Texarkana right around 2 a.m. now. Again, the trend has been slower and further to the west with the stronger storms. You can see the line weakening as it moves southward into East Texas and northwest Louisiana, arriving in the I-20 corridor, including Shreveport and Marshall, right around sunrise tomorrow morning, call it 7 a.m. And you can see the main focus of the rain tomorrow will shift into East Texas and northwest Louisiana. That rain will end tomorrow evening, and then we'll see the clouds decrease tomorrow night with a mix of clouds and sunshine on the way for Thursday. So as far as what these storms could bring, obviously we're entering our secondary severe weather season when we can see the occasional tornado. It doesn't look like we have much of a risk of that tonight. You can see Futurecast does show the stronger rotating updrafts here over northwest Arkansas, east Oklahoma, so it looks like the tornado risk tonight will be highest to our north. We'll have to keep an eye on the northern edge of the area late this evening where those storms arrive a bit sooner. Biggest issue as far as severe weather will be the potential for some damaging wind gusts. Futurecast kind of showing 30 to 50 mile per hour gusts possible, especially over the northern sections of the area. But again, we could have a handful of 60 mile per hour gusts as well. That risk of seeing the stronger winds will subside as the storms move south into East Texas and northwest Louisiana. The second biggest concern could be heavy rain. Now, there's still a big question as to where that heavy rain will fall. This is the latest run of Futurecast, and you can see it's kind of highlighting northeast Texas and southwest Arkansas for the spot where we could see 2 to over 5 inches of rainfall. The HRRR model has that same swath a little bit further to the south and east and not quite as heavy, but somewhere in our area there is a decent shot we'll see at least 2 inches of rain with a few isolated totals of 5 inches possible. So keep that in mind, especially in Shreveport for tomorrow morning, as the heaviest of that rain very well could be impacting us during the morning commute tomorrow morning. So that being said, your forecast for tonight, storms will become likely moving into the northern edge of the area very late this evening. I-20 at sunrise tomorrow, and then further to the southeast during the day on Wednesday. Temperatures tonight ahead of the front will be in the low to middle 70s. Yet again, 76 tonight in Shreveport, 72 degrees in Texarkana. Behind the front, much cooler tomorrow, as we'll see highs over the northern sections of the area where the rain ends in the mid to upper 70s. 78 degrees for the high in Texarkana, 84 in Shreveport, 87 degrees for the high temperature in Natchitoches. And your 10-day forecast shows that we'll catch a break from the 90s for a few days, as daytime highs through the weekend will be in the mid to upper 80s. Overnight lows will pretty much be in the middle 60s. We will warm back up close to 90 degrees for much of next week during the day. Overnight lows will warm into the upper 60s. And after tomorrow, no more rain in the forecast from Thursday through all of next week.